next strategy is splitting, which I've represented with this icon here. Now, you can use this strategy for any number, but there's probably a few that it's more important to use for. So 7, it's a primary strategy. 9, it's a secondary strategy, and we'll get to why soon. But that means that numbers can be split into parts. So 3 can be split into 2 groups and 1 group of something, but 7 is probably more important to know it for because that's a bit more difficult. So 7, you could split it into 6 lots and 1 lot of something, 4 lots and 3 lots of something, or preferably 5 lots and 2 lots of something. Those two are easier multiplications to perform. So when we see something like this, 7 lots of 8, instead of doing that, or if we don't know how to do that, we can take 5 lots of 8 and 2 lots of 8 and then add them both together. So this is easy. Now we know that 5 8s are 40, 2 8s are 16, add the 2 together, we get 56. But the best part about this is you can transfer this to do any problem when you're multiplying by 7. So let's do, 7 times 23. And again, we'll use our strategy from before to work out our 5. So we've got to do 5 lots of 23 and 2 lots of 23. Remember, 5 lots is just 10 lots and then halve it. So 10 lots is 230, so 5 lots must be half of that, 115. 2 lots of 23 is 46, and now we'll work it out by adding them together. 5 and 6 is 11, so we'll put the 1 there and the 10 there. 4, 1 and 1, 60, and then 161. And again, this helps us transfer our knowledge to work out any multiplication when we're using 7. And this can be used with any number that you find tricky. So the other one was 9, and 9 has a house next to it. This represents a neighbour fact, and I would use this as the primary strategy for 9s. So what that means is you know something nearby the 9s that is very easy, which are the 10s. So if, say, we're doing, we'll go 7 9s again. We know 10 lots of 7 is just one more group of 7 more than that. So if we know this is equal to 70, we take 1 lot of 7 away, and now we know this one, which is 63. And again, you can use this for anything when you're multiplying by 9. All right, we're going to try a bigger number to prove that this strategy transfers to multiplying anything by 9. So let's do 47 groups, or 9 groups of 47. We don't know how to do that, but we do know 10 groups of 47 is 470. And if we know that this is 1 lot of 47 less than that, we just have to subtract 47 there to get our answer. So 70, we could just do 70 take 50 and then add 3 on the end. So 70 take 50 is 20 and then add 3, 23. So we'll get 423 as our answer here. And again, proves that you can use this strategy to find any multiplication by 9. So now you have all the strategies you'll need for successful mastery of multiplication. The only thing left to do is practice. So we've made these cards. They've all got the icons on them. There's 4 different colors. And I didn't want them to just do one thing. So there are 12 different games, activities, and challenges you can do with these cards. Super versatile, but the purpose of all of those activities is to build number skills, whether that be multiplication, addition, subitizing, breaking the numbers up and seeing that numbers are made up of parts. So 9 could be, a 3 by 3 grid, or 9 could be a 4 by 5. They're really important skills. That's the precursor to addition. Won't get into that now, but those cards have 12 different activities that come with them. Alongside that, we've made this special online tool that you can use to do the 20 card dash for free online. It gives you the strategy prompts as you go. So that's just a little tool. We'll put the link up somewhere. The thing that thrills me most about my work is seeing students thrive and enjoy mathematics. Multiplication is key to that. So if you want me to come and run a hands-on workshop for teachers or students in your school, email andrew@thinksquare.com.au. I'll see you then.